So we wanted to bring and release something that is more accurate than standard industry codes. So we came up with the concept of Vainu Custom Industry. So we have a taxonomy of more than 900 labels, and that includes like these modern industry verticals such as software as a service. In the past, you always had to search for only high level industries such as software or healthcare or manufacturing. But now you can do actually quite cool searches. You can search for SaaS businesses, and also that they are a SaaS business doing a specific offering like employee benefits. These type of results. You can also adjust the confidence scores that you have. So if you want to have companies that are even more SaaS, you can actually look at the confidence score of these companies. And I mean, there's plenty of that type of searches available. So confidence score is the one that we have for industry labeling, and 900 categories in total. And like artificial intelligence, virtual reality, software as a service. So especially if your ICP definition includes sort of searches that where the industry vertical is modern, then it's very easy to do that type of searches with Vainu Global.